I'm going to show you how to manage your plans and domains on WordPress.com. Whether you're a longtime blogger managing multiple sites or someone who's just starting out, knowing how to navigate your plans and domains is essential. At first, these settings might feel a little confusing, but by following this step-by-step guide, you'll soon feel confident controlling all of your WordPress assets. First, open your preferred web browser and go to WordPress.com. The homepage is clean and visually appealing, but for now, focus on the login button in the top right corner. Click it and you'll be taken to the login page, which gives you several options. For simplicity, we'll use Continue with Google. This is fast, secure, and convenient, especially if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure to choose a Google account linked to your WordPress site. Selecting the wrong one is a common mistake, and it could prevent you from accessing your plans and domains correctly. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard, the control center for all your websites. Look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo appears. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Purchases. This section is key because it shows an overview of all your current subscriptions, including your active plans, domain credits, payment methods, and upcoming renewal dates. Think of it as your personal WordPress control hub. Next, find the active upgrades section and click on it. Here, you'll see a detailed list of your current plans and domains. This overview allows you to manage your subscriptions, check renewal dates, upgrade or downgrade plans, and even purchase new domains if needed. Everything is organized in a way that makes it easy to monitor and control your online assets. And that's it. Managing your plans and domains on WordPress.com is straightforward once you know where to look. Understanding these options gives you full control over your websites, helps prevent unexpected charges, and ensures your online presence runs smoothly. Take a few moments to explore each setting further and make the most of the tools WordPress offers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. With these steps, you can confidently manage your plans and domains, keeping your websites organized and under control. Happy blogging!